us as health workers. Indeed, sometimes we are left off the hook simply because the victims of our unprofessionalism choose to blame the witches and the wizards as well as the fearful for their predicament instead of taking on the system. It's professional.
Just say, the atosu be no omni to Johnny say, a doctor for pharmacy for ni nurse for ubon say, nurse ni ba no na doctor sexually no harassing no. Wa mana nwinu nti no akumi kra ma ya transfer no. Obi ho no ma, no mo na no. As a consultancy or coin no person so ni fum one player free on no muna no sa one na adwuma kra na man ni bi so sexually harassing doctors e ya na aka mema de kwa nurse ni ba tade obese da said akọ doctor ho ase bibi atofom no ase da akoto se ne ofa no wa fe ni to ache doctor wonyina ya sexual harassment enye mema no kwa e ma no so ka ho
Sompa FM.
Also, Kwajedu pharmacy, Okoya, Yafadu ni manana, a pharmacist no cobra bini ade lab or Kwaje report, Okoya Konunkwa, Okono a bonneto. Okochana sum says, yeah, Benyasem. Yes, wo muade. Na doctor slag ganging up against her, nurse Nina, one prima doctor Nina Winono. Superintendent for Rifa, administrators, head of administration, accountant, HR. Omo no omo akola iko report to say sia na de na to tankru am enye kra enye oba parijo mama kasa fa ye can say parliament na judiciary nsensami na we nka asem bi wo ho be ya mbusa me say asem be ne wo ho ya komra oni asofo hia na no tum ye ntie no
institutions of state. Now we have Parliament, the Supreme Court, and Tawantawa Abba, two institutions of state. Parliament and the Supreme Court, judiciary in Parliament. Obia everyone Juma 1 year. So I'm saying there's been a contest and friction between the two. Maybe we can solve it politically. The solution is not legal. If it's a Supreme Court didn't make a decision, now Parliament also can say, yes, so a separate arm of government. To me, the government said, in a political solution, meaning opinion for and opinion some. Maybe my doing this and opinion. I may have case for Supreme Court. I'm a friend minority, I'm a friend majority, and I leaders of party. Now, one majority, one minority, also a majority. So, leaders of two groups, and as of opinion, Council of States, and the Speaker of Parliament are concerned. We didn't say almost a solution to some person. Send a NCBO, there was here a constitution. If you say, and you many do a clear, if you saw, or you can say, no much racing, no much constitution, the meaning message, and I said the meaning message. And I said, Kobase, Yadwin copy, I was arguing, I never see a Supreme Court for interpretation. And so you saw it was in a teaching, now you're tightening, and when you say, and maybe a Supreme Court, I say, I'm my entry and catches a message. Now we have Parliament, the Supreme Court, and Tawantawa Abba, two institutions of state. Parliament and the Supreme Court, judiciary in Parliament. Obia everyone Juma 1 year. So I'm saying there's been a contest and friction between the two. Maybe
I don't see your page your mama so my penny on there. Come friend both sides no akasa. I find your man can say minority akunya no want transnational switch na. Whom from Ukraino e yunkugu kese. It is not good spiritually. Minim so for in this ankomano. But on the osini whom catch and say onim na so kotra ato force akunya so a na yes akunya no am say elections on the ama wo mo sedai na wonim enti wono there it is not good spiritually for him to go and sit on ato force na bra abato omoto ye no parliament nkwa wie ya ono na majority no won kotra ho ne ntra ho kina da enti wo ma no mo kase won kotra ho na speaker me kasa no ensi yentie no
as the leader of the MPP majority, as the MPP caucus. Stop describing me as the leader of the MPP caucus. As part of your journalism, your job is to follow the law, to disseminate right information. This matter came up in the court, and I beg of you, it doesn't matter your political affiliation or how you feel as a media house. Do justice to the issue. The speaker made a pronouncement. He has turned around to say he didn't rule, he only expressed an opinion. You have a court of competent jurisdiction. Which court, Mr. Speaker himself, subjected himself to its authority and jurisdiction. He came to challenge the first ruling. The court ruled upon after argument by his counsel. And finally the court said, no way. Your ruling, your determination of the matter must stay. What else? Any media house who needs clarification must seek clarification from the court. They reached out to me again that they have spoken to Mr. Speaker, and Mr. Speaker concedes that he has not made a ruling and that the NDC will move to their own seat. He gave them the assurance. Council of State communicated that to us. We said, okay, if in all of these Mr. Speaker decides to resign, what should I do? I should go and sit on the minority seat? Spiritually, it's not even good. You have 3 weeks to election. I should go and sit on minorities. Is that my seat? I won't sit there. I will never do it. I will never do it. That's not my rightful place. I should go to minority. Spiritually, make myself a minority person. No. And bind my colleagues. We won't do that. No MPP person will do that. In any event, we were privy to certain things that we cannot make public. That if our colleagues had entered the chamber to attempt to enforce their rights, perhaps we wouldn't be here. So in fact, we are decent-minded people. Yes. We respect the courts. We respect the law. Our doors are open to Mr. Speaker's call. The MPP majority as the MPP caucus. Stop describing me.
Okay. So a fellow American is unhappy with the media. Say, oh, my friend, MPP caucus. Abraham Rani Bibi Adi Adansi saw a majority. And no man penny John Domani by my name penny phone share didn't come on. Na Asante Achimo Dumasi. Ena Asiedun Katia Johnson Asiedun Katia Eko PM ho. Ne campaign mu an Dumasi no sai. National House of Chiefs President. Nana Oji Ahoho JB. Ono ne niema wo ye nyina chese wo ye campaign ma NPP. Oji Ahoho has not taken it easy. Osi Asiedun Katia fa proof mra. I dear dance so no ye campaign. Anopa nyame adom. Me wo Oji Ahoho Nana JB. Ya JB otoso mienu ewo ahoma no so. Therefore, Daruma unana moache.
Yeah, you know.
Now, bomb to say,
watching.
You know, bad they say. You're a sedun katia de subu mo dupa na bowo. In himself, an animal tankunya, Munyaman, your sem. But the assem back where the betum and Muna Mossi in a macan crabum. Was say, would the idea one namu yenina? Oh, born to a say and to Abama MPP. But Daruma. Asemi beto eminim se wate yatis waka chense wonfa no de dia dance kramra de ntina mama Irasi Edun Ketia beka we actually the president of the National House of Chiefs yetie wadaroma
minim ne nti o kasa asem no Asi Edun Ketia minim nem de aye no ko mikro mu a okoka kire na me age no wa tu na mini ho okaye campaign the same day so oka kire mikro mu for say Nana, why you post be as Mukure, want to name here, I'm a Mukuro, and I say,
oh,
I don't know, make catch on say. Mobi say educate ya say oba ha no na yaguko ta okurum ha. Eno ba yaguko ta. Me ankasa mate go secondary school. I munkwara I bro 1,000. Western North, you only get secondary school no. Ewa nwa so. Seven nursing college ewo ho. Abaya da Roma. Pamayen fufuro ankwara so ewo na me hu ne bai dia ya se edunkate a ntito bia ba bi onam bia oni asam kan na me din no wobo na me da madwene ya be say 2020 omo ko sign pact no ya ma me ene ka mutumpa so no afra me yo
na na nya hwe
me ena peace council mpa chairman na omi di adanse na da ya fa ba ni wie na NDC4 ya so mo du so mo ye dede ni ade nyina na radio ebisa me sa na mo bisa me ya tanana e de na mo ka ye kwhwe a demonstration ni ade no so this part no kan say wo a won to ho ase no fa court into we de e bi wi anka me sra NDC4 say anti atli ni pa o fa court e se dun katia e ye okọ station bi awatachiman yodi ye menya no bi ni amanka hwe me ka hwe so ebetine enti ase edun katia wakọ me kuruma mi ni hɔ akọ ye we anwa ni kurum so sabe wono ni kuruma kwan ye hɔ me de hɔ me kurum kura paten ne de okọ me kurum no ko di matam ye to so bio minim sakse edun katia pese o insight me nkrofo na yikumi sane ono ne hene kurum hene ote varanda mu a yiku no omo penso a omo ntumi ahwehwe mu no eno na ona dwunu mu de a ene me fa sa kwenye so aka kire se edun katia se nkrofo ne me ya ma omo ni so papa intimate na dwun se o kansam insight me nkrofo against me o ye ne campaign ya me nya politician nti na me say won fa dance e emra na mo anto magyan no ase edun katia se me ye campaign ase edun katia se me share t-shirt on kan se mo fa photo mra ene mo bia kuta phone dia tumi twa picture otumi o kasa etumi eche o kasa no ase edu emfa mra na onya me na me ntan ba bi na ase edu na campaign otumi nya on transe enya nche oni hwe kan enya nche on tana o abanu duru a yebekọ akoto ye memesra ne se amanfo enya abotre na yenkoto aba no ye to wi a ne wanwi no ye de enkomidie eche asoa no ne nyina ato aso na fasa akwanye nso asre MP4 parliament for the speaker
kama ba hokra
we reconvene na eye council of state me kan ho bi any speaker kokasa ye ne kodu ye nde na enim se enti ase ye adwuma oto nsa afre won nti mesre speaker on san to nsa emfre parliamentary MPs no na omra parliament na sabe aka na awotwimpo na parliament akwa wiye kro metwa ye niema bebre na detention a wo mamu so no akofom medamasipi
yes ya da say oje awoho ya jebi otoso mienu President National House of Chiefs. Asante, mami ntie otiawa na yempeja emu. Ebo no so pepepepe be peja emu. Ene ye woniema pii pa nti me pese me bawura sports for time wa me second kra. Mami ntie o.
Yeah, so mami de make an say abani ebeto. Nsimsi ya eba na me yem hihime. Sebe mpanimfo umuna edi anim. Sebe sidi nketo yini paketwa. And then another said, "Simsi bana, I mean, yintimi canon in a very cordial way and I had drink a cra. Politics campaign and casa my issue based. And to me, who said this minimum say, Omomi no more personal attacks.
No, so him do the island. I'm so say
2020
pact no say we are back court on a few holding a total crew much say. Yeah, come here, say virtually everywhere. I said, you get Tiago could be our boy. Yaw JPT.
Sompa FM.
So catch any
video ni kakra.
Waji post nyina good tiri so wonya hwema.
Na post be no wo. Say national
Abia Council of State.
National President.
So Council of State.
And say
I mean say be our board be so there. And so remember no so mo dey the picture beba. I was a t-shirt. And the mom can call you Photoshop bia.
Oh my.
Because I know there. I mean catch it is possible. Me tell we betimi aye t-shirt ashemia. The picture ba to ho dia dance say me share NDC and MPP atade.
Nanso so na enye wa. Nye kwetwa we
say machines egu nkora dem ne nkrofofia obetim dia ye graphic designs ya de.
My campaign get 25 days to go. What I say, and your best say Omanhene Yaw.
I'm on tone down. I mean, this one.
Nana say my call come here, crash me.
So say or inciting and so omumekum no send you omukum say kwa hina na. Because ono so nka won kasasa. But I'm saying so I am man.
I say yeah na mpempi no o man say obi to ho ase no waka
kasa no I wasn't expecting it but
I was
yeah so di yaw onye di package wa
oh o man nana nyini package wa
wo hini wo he
sehwi e pen say
sehwi also
sehwi also atrank udu ufi no klub na akọ asemba nwene wo so na asanwe so no
na president of National House of Chiefs so enye a jacket wow.
We need jacket wow.
Oko elections so no winning. And also is hurt.
The politics now.
But I don't know. Maybe Sidon Katia is also having a proof. Or probably, but officer he's been inciting him against his people. Na eyados. Say obesi na chima o ma no Jennifer so. Ofri okopi abontina o say Omanhene wa gigi a post so. I mean, Abia.
Oh, say,
my Jew chrome. Na me new na oba me fie. Mama ya aduane mo adu wie ya no asase mechi akere me yire. Na me ba na me tia officer me. It's best to say at the end of the day, oje awo kra no oni odumase.
Say ho no kokan.
Asante Achim. It has nothing to do with oje awo.
Your election wise kra no.
It's about to omre no. You receive you get ya Asante Achim oge ka asem wo hono ma oje a wo asem de be to mu na be
o man entina masa make constitution na election o man he ya hemfo no eventually no constitution no we me gitu me say on kan opinion and like onye politics me because their cost no e ha dwene
ya hemfo no so wo ka ho bi
na so omonye politics ne preko
hemfo no bebre so ne ye no bebre ma edi adanse say
omo wo ha na
opposition anase wo ha but you can also take it away from them
because they gonna for
MPP Asante MPP Tescon president you obedi hina nti so wanyina hine NDC Keda
and I said 10
or your 10 secretary I did the ato na mra kodi na your mama kosra no a osu wanya he
okwa asembe no be ka kire mama on ka oba wene
masa
enu nti na me mega so ade na mo nye policy
but wo mo so control mo so enya no nti ne me mama be ya ma no sem because set him you e bia ne se odi ahoho de si du get ya kan he de wato amanye imagine say ye wa hanum yi mampon hene swami hene mawro asokoye mampon na wo mayi wo minim se t-shirt na ayi atonso hene ayi bekwai asafo bantuma wo mu se t-shirt ekro no already mo achetu
o ma enye t-shirt crowd sometimes empanifo ni bi come na so a eba hemafo ni ahemfo nso mo
ya
na anodin
sa oba hema no me se ya ko check na chi old school no wo ye Tesco
na mo ko say constitution no
Tesco na Keda wo bu ko ye former secretary party bi and adidi atono enti e woni mu
enti dem make us o ma ade na constitution ka o kasa ba sho mo yem I say o ba o
yiri bi na obi ko sra no osra no obi ko ya no ko fa t-shirt party t-shirt or say and would on a wooden you must him. So would dear silent Kalara recorder. I feel what he never patch over he feels over the bow. Bassa, a woman would tell you,
obvious I didn't know. Oh, you know, where police are.
You cannot do the person anything.
And then I was in a right.
Or he didn't say,
why MP and
Baumia 60%, 80% to year 2 days. And see,
and Timunya,
Sunyani, I mean, find a currency. A Oka Bia, Omuka Katsiano, Omuko did in attempt. Omuko rally was I was a good father Copacho 2016 and Sana. Omo Makoyo rally. And here, medium so Moncho Muframan Yosemu. Baby, Susi Kukum no Muyama, no some care support. And no dear, Omo you manima. On my I was your boy, yeah, Daniel. Omo you manima, minor good. Let's get ready to.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about
Sompa Sport. For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Are you? No, I was not.